Let's dive into the Quran's take on human psychology. It highlights two, well, pretty big weak spots.
So what are these two psychological fault lines that pretty much define the human condition?
It all comes down to these two really crucial concepts about our nature.
Okay, so they are forgetfulness, or nisyan, and its partner in crime, ingratitude, which is kufran.
First up, nisyan. This isn't just about losing your keys, it's way deeper on a spiritual level.
You can see this idea pop up in different contexts, like in Surah Az-Zumar and Taha.
And that brings us to the second one, kufran. Think of it as a kind of spiritual blindness.
The language used is really powerful. Words like kafar show just how serious this is.
And if stated so directly in Surah Al-Adiyat, it really makes the point clear.
But here's the interesting part. When do we actually see these weaknesses bubble to the surface?
Well, there's a huge difference between how we act during hard times versus easy times. When things get tough, we're sincere. But once we get comfortable, we kinda forget.
And that's the core insight, right? This shift from desperation to dismissal once the crisis is over.
But get this, there's a super fascinating clue hidden right there in the language itself.
So the Arabic word for human, insan, is actually related to the word nisyan, which means to forget.
It's almost like forgetfulness is baked right into our DNA. It's just part of our makeup.
So what's the fix? Well, the Quran points to two conscious practices for finding that balance.
Remembrance combats forgetfulness, and gratitude is the antidote for, well, ingratitude. Simple as that.
So it seems like this isn't a one-and-done deal. It really leaves us with a big question, doesn't it?